up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. Welcome to kit number 65 of Build the 1967 Mustang Eleanor from the film Gone in 60 Seconds, brought to you by the wonderful folks over at Fanhome. Now, if you'd like to grab this for yourself, follow this link here. That will take you to their website. There's a clickable version down there, and take out this subscription for this 1/8 scale part work. You will not be disappointed, and you get to build along with us as well. So what are we up to today? We are on kit number 65, which is this. We're going to be putting in the upper right rear trim panel on top of the lower right section that we did in the last issue, folks, which was this one. Okay, we've got the parts there that we've got today, which are the panel itself, the chrome insert, and PS5 and 14 screws, folks. So we'll be laying them out shortly. That's the packet you would have received with all the bits in. So we'll be bringing that in shortly and opening that up, and then we can start doing a bit of assembly. Nice and easy today. We're literally just popping the panels in place, retaining them with the screws, and then it will be dropped in on the right hand side just to finish off closing out this rear section. Okay folks, and then that is going to be your completed chassis section or interior section just there. Okay, so first things first, folks, we're going to use this chrome piece here, and you've got the curved section with a taper that can only go in the one way. So line your lugs up with the panel and press it home like so. It's a resistance fit, but we also are going to be retaining it with PSO5s. We'll have two of them. Do our usual thing now, pop a bit of oil in, like that, and then we'll come in, screw that in just like that. Again, just nip it. Don't want to break the lug off the plastic, because we're doing plastic to plastic. A bit of oil on there, and the oil on the plastic, it helps cut the thread into the plastic, just makes it a smoother operation. There you go. So that's that trim in situ. We now need our chassis section in, or our interior compartment. So let's just move them to one side. We'll bring that into shot, and then we can start lining this all up. Okay, now from memory, you've got to put this lug on, pop that pin through there like that, and then we can start bringing this down and lining it all up. So we'll grab our first screw, which is one of those, and the smaller one goes down the front from memory. So let's just pop that in place. There you go. A little bit of a wiggle fit to get everything to line up, but once you get one screw in, it will start coming together. You just need to jiggle it around a little bit just to line these up with the eyes behind. But once you get the first one in, she'll start coming together. Like that. You can just hear it click when you move it. Once it goes in, it's in there then. Let's just tighten that up. There you go. And then that will then give us a slightly smaller screw, which is the PS14, which will go down in that little front section, right down in there. And that's gone straight in there. That will now pull all of that nice and tight into that front edge, and it just starts closing off that interior now. Okay, so that's what we're going to end up with at the end of this issue. I'll just check my alignment and put my pin right in. Like so, resounding click there. But that's what you've got. You've now got your compartment all buttoned down, and once the body shell goes on, all of this all compressed together. Okay, so that's what you're going to end up with at the end of today. So remember, folks, if you'd like to grab this for yourself and build along with me, follow this link here all the way over to the Fanhome website and subscribe to this beautiful 1/8 scale Eleanor. You won't be disappointed. Also, to help me out, you just click little fester. That'll be a massive, massive boost. And until the next time, thank you for joining me. Stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now. Bye.